Hello guys, you're welcome once again to another video. I want to especially appreciate every one of you that have subscribed to my channel and also um, follow me up in one way or the other. Alright, I so much appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a detailed targeting. Alright, irrespective of the kind of product you are selling, whether you are trying to generate leads or you are trying to sell a product out there. I will be showing you how you can do a detailed targeting. Now, like as you can see on your dashboard, this is an advert I did for a client, and look at how much I was charged per lead. Right, I was charged 28 naira per lead. I was charged 18 naira, 41 naira, 13 and 20 naira per lead. And so far, look at the number of lead I was able to generate for this my client. For just few period of time, I was able to work with this particular person. Alright, so this was possible because I was able to carry out my detailed targeting. Okay, so if you are a business owner, or you are someone that want to promote your business online, and you are looking for a way to target the right audience, I tell you, there's no audience you are looking for that Facebook does not have a database. Okay, so the ability for you to be able to position yourself in the right to the right client will be able to give you the right customer that you need. Alright, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always be notified whenever new videos are posted. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's dive into the training. So first of all, just come over to, I'll just do a video to show you how you can go about your detailed targeting. Alright, so if you can see, this is your campaign, and this way you have your ad set. Alright, so this is my ad location. I'm running to a website. Alright, so I'm running my ads to my website. That's why you can see the website here. If you want to run to form, you can do that. Messenger, you can do all of that. Okay, then I also did a video on how to set up your pixel. So if I am to select that, these are different pixels I have on my ad account. I can just say, let me just select one now. Let's say I select this, then retrieving event, retrieving it, or let me see. Okay, so select an event to use on this pixel. Already I've set up my pixel on that, so just waiting for a while for it to come up. Now this is where you do your budgeting. Right, this is where you do your budgeting, depending on how much you want to spend on your ad. So you come here and do the budgeting. Right, so I do that. Right, so let's say I want to send 20,000. I'm just using this for instance, so you can set that. Then this is your time. You can leave that. Then you come to your location. So you switch from, you can see where it says switch to original audience option. So just switch and click on use original audience. So if you do that, this will pop up. Right, this will pop up. Now, before now, we're having what is called, let me click on edit first. Now, before Facebook changed their setup, we're having four options: rich people living in this location, rich people recently, and all of that. But now they have even pegged it to this option that rich people living in or recently in this location. Right, so you cannot edit that. So now you just come over to display and you select your audience, your location. Now, when it comes to selecting your location, depend on the kind of product you are selling. All right, if you are selling a digital product, you might not necessarily need to select states. You can just leave it in this country, in the sense that in digital product, you don't need to pay for delivery, you don't need to pay for shipping and all of that. You can just, the person can have access to the product once they make payment. Okay, so that is for that. Now, if you are selling a physical product, then you can select different states that you can ship to. Right, so that is that. So if for instance I want to set up my digital product kind of advert, I can just leave it in country Nigeria. Then I will come over to this place and select include only cities. Can you see that now? Include only city. That means out of all the states in Nigeria, I'm only targeting those in the cities, not those that are into one thick rural forest. So I'm not selecting that. So I'll just select only include cities. Okay. only include cities. This is only include all areas, both rural and urban. So you just have it there. Okay. Then now let's come to where we have the you come to this age, select your age depending on the kind of product you are promoting. So if a product is something that has to do with does not have a age restriction, you can leave it like this. But if it has age restriction, you can make sure you set up the age. All right, you can click on edit here. Can you see it? Edit? You can see from 18. All right, you can see this. So all right, sorry, let me come back. Okay, let me so basically Facebook algorithm, they believe that from 18 and above is an adult. So if you're running an advert below this, they will not really give you that priority. All right, so you come over to this place. I want to target from 25. All right, from 25, you can see that and above. Then if what you are selling include only female or both, you can also select this. Come over to this place, you can see all genders and all. All right. Then now this is where you have the where you do the bulk of the work, like I was telling before. If you are selling a product that has to do with female, let's say for instance I'm selling a product for fertility. Fertility has to do with people that are married, people that are in relationship, people that are interested in family. That is what you are targeting. Whereas it would be nice you are selling a product that has to do with fertility, you are targeting those invested and all of that. No, that is wrong targeting. So for this aspect now, if I'm using a product that has to do with fertility, childbearing and all of that, I will come over to this place. I will say parent or parenting, right? You can see it here, children and parenting. Can you see that now? I also come here, family, right? People that are interested in family, right? Okay, I can say relationship, okay? You can see, just select all. You can see the different relationships. You can select, these are people that are interest that need that fertility, okay? People that need that fertility, all right? So if you are also, let me cancel this now. Let me cancel this. If you are running an advert for those that are interested in making money online, okay, people that are interested in making money online, you come over to this place, you are targeting those that are interested in how to make money online. You come over to this place, you see what's called passive income. Can you see it now? Passive income. You put that. The moment you select the first one, Facebook have what is called suggestions. You can see there suggestion. If you click on it, they will give you different suggestions like this. Okay, so it's not left for you to handpick from all these suggestions that you are being given. Okay, so most of the time when it come to detailed targeting, you are being selective. Not that you are just running advert anyhow. You are being selective of the kind of things you want to include in your targeting. All right. So now I'm targeting those that are looking for how to make money online. So if I'm doing that, I will also look at passive income. I'll look at home business. I'll look at investment. Okay, these are people that are looking for how to make money. All right, people that are looking for ways to improve their finances. You can see the investment. All right, you can see that now they are giving me more options. You can see it, entrepreneurship, income, money, and all of that. Okay, so that is for people that are interested in making money online. Now, if you are targeting those that are looking for how to acquire digital skills, and all of that, you also come over to this place here. You also come over to this place, digital skills. You can come over to this place here. You search for skills. Can we say anything like skills? All right. So now let's go over. You can say digital marketing. All right, good. Can you see now digital marketing? Digital marketing. Now, if you come over to this suggestion now, you can see different skills. Can you see different skills I'm talking about? So it means that Facebook have all these things in their database. So for you to be able to get all these things, and you just need a trigger. You just need a trigger. Now let me show you the last one. The last advert I showed you before was for a client who is into forex trading. What I did was that I came over to this place. I just said stock market. I said stock market. Can you see it now? Stock market. This is the stock market. The moment I selected this, the moment I selected stock market, Facebook now gave me different suggestions. Can you see it now? Stock market, financial trade, investment. Can you see it now? Shares, stocks. All right. Can you see the different things they are giving me? Traders, technical analysis. This was because I was able to trigger Facebook to give me people that are in line with that. See, the truth of the matter is, when it comes to running advert and when it comes to detail targeting, you just need the right trigger. Once you're able to pick the right trigger, Facebook will give you the rest of the information you need. All right. So in detail targeting, just need to be very, very careful in your selection. So you don't need to pick every other thing that goes with it. All right. Hope you got value from this particular video I did. Now, once you are done with that, I hope you are enjoying this particular video. If you are doing, please hit the like button and also give this video a thumbs up. All right. So now, once you are done with this, the next thing, you come to advert placement. This part, if you are running an advert, you don't want to you want to know how your advert is doing most of the time. If you come to this is automatic placement. In this automatic placement, Facebook will automatically place your advert across all borders, be it Facebook, Instagram, and the rest of them. Right, but most of the time, I always use this manual placement rather. If you come to manual placement, you can see there, you can now handpick where you want your advert to display. Right, so that is how to go about your detailed targeting. Hope you got value from this particular video I did. If you do, please drop a comment, and if you have any challenge, please reach out to me and I'll be glad to fix your issue. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in my next video.